Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, I think everybody is fine. Now today I will show you that how can we create post method API in Oracle database. So let's start. First we need to create module. Okay, we create module name, testing API, best part, employee info. Is published, okay, yes. Designation 25, yes. We can create module, base path already exists. Okay. Our module is created, testing API. Our created module is testing API. Now we create two template. Create template, new template. Okay. URL template insert. Create template. Our template is created. Now we need to create handler. Create handler. Yes, method. Four type of method is here: get, put, post, delete. Now we use post method. Source. We need to create here insert statement. Before we insert employee information in employee info table, we need to create employee info table in our database. So we create employee info table. Yes, our table is created, employee info. Now there is no data in this table, so we can complete our process. Yes, okay. employee ID bind variable, employee name and employee designation. Okay, our source code is created. Create handler. Now you need to create parameter. Access method in input parameter, source header, data type integer. Add parameter, in parameter http header string. Okay, our parameter is created. Now we test our API from Postman. Employee ID value 1, employee name and our another parameter employee designation. Now we can test send. Okay, yes, inserted. Now we check it from our database. Yes, data is inserted. Okay, our API is created. In the next video, I will show you that how can we use this API from Oracle application. Till then, bye bye.